Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into the world of Dyson vacuum cleaners, specifically focusing on how to open the vacuum cleaner head. Knowing how to properly access and clean the brush bar or replace parts is crucial to keep your Dyson performing at its best. So, let's get started. Please check the description link, I will provide detailed information. Before we begin, ensure that your Dyson vacuum cleaner is turned off and unplugged for safety reasons. Let's take a look at the steps involved in opening the Dyson vacuum cleaner head. Preparing for maintenance. Firstly, lay down a clean and flat surface, such as a table or floor mat, to work on. This will provide a stable platform for disassembling the head. Gather any necessary tools, such as a screwdriver or pliers, depending on your Dyson model. Removing the brush bar. Locate the brush bar housing at the bottom of the vacuum cleaner head. Depending on your Dyson model, you may need to remove a cover or access plate to reveal the brush bar. Use the appropriate tool to unscrew or release the fasteners holding the cover in place. Carefully lift the cover off to expose the brush bar. Detaching the brush bar. Next, identify the locking mechanism or retaining clips that secure the brush bar in place. Gently release or disengage these locks, allowing you to remove the brush bar from the head. Take note of how the brush bar is positioned, as you'll need to reassemble it correctly later. Cleaning or replacing parts. Now that you have access to brush bar, you can clean it thoroughly using a soft brush, or by rinsing it under lukewarm water, if applicable. Ensure the brush bar is completely dry before reattaching it. If any parts are damaged or worn out, this is also the ideal time to replace them. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.